Welcome to the Notices tutorial from Professor Assessor. After logging in, notices may automatically appear on the teacher dashboard and school administrator dashboard. There are two types of notices that may appear. The first is important notices, which appear in a white box. They are displayed following automated checks, and indicate changes you need to make to data in the software. Examples would be if a pupil scheme level is not set for some pupils, or if term dates needed adding. These important notices will be displayed after each login until the changes are made. The second type of notice is announcements, which appear in a pale blue box. These provide information on product updates, reminders, hints and tips. Once read, simply click the Got It button and these announcements will not display again. That concludes this tutorial on notices. If you have any more questions, then just contact us via any of these methods. This tutorial was brought to you by Professor Assessor Limited.